So let us see now in this session we are going to see what is wildcard mask, how you are going to use the wildcard mask in EAGRP. Okay, let's take two routers now. Okay, now I am going to connect the routers fast Ethernet 0x02, fast Ethernet 0x1. Okay, I am not going to change router 1 and router 2 names also. Okay, now what I will do, simply you can start.
Yes.
Okay, if you click on this button, it will start these two devices at a time. See here,
Okay.
if you click this button, it's going to start. See, it's going to start now. It started. So what you can do, if you want to get the console for these two at a time, just click on this button. You got it? Okay, so what you can do now, take router 1 console and just make a little bit minimize. Why? Because you want to see your console while you are going to configure. So right now what I can do now, clear?
Yes.
Now just click on the router 1. So let's give me here, now I want to give 10.0.0/30. Duplicate. What I will do, I will give you 172.16.1.0, I mean 1.10/24. now make a duplicate, and now 172.16.2.10. okay, now I am going to configure. Let us see now. Okay, conft. Okay, now what I am doing now, interface fast Ethernet 0x0, then IP address 10.0.0.1 55.55.55.252. okay, now shut down, say exit, interface loopback 0, IP address 172.16.1.10 55.55.55.0, exit from here. Okay, save it now and take to router 2. conft then interface fast Ethernet 0x1, IP address, what is that, 10.0.0.2 55.55.55.52, then no shutdown, interface loopback 0. Many people, they will ask you how many loopbacks you can create. You can create n number of loopbacks. Okay, IP address 172.16.2.10 55.55.55.0. okay, then I don't want to give no shutdown here. That's clear. Say right, then now you can give the command show IP interface brief. Is it okay? Now I'm trying to ping from 10.2 to 10.1. okay, can we ping?
Yes.
Ping 10.0.0.1. let's see now if that guy is there. It's pinging, right? It's giving a reply. Is it clear?
Yes.
So right now you can try from here also. Ping 10.0.0.1 to, it's pinging. Clear?
Yes.
So right now these two guys are pinging now. So by using wildcard mask, I am going to configure the EAGRP. So first of all, conft router EAGRP 100 first network. So 10.0.0.0. Can you tell me the wildcard mask?
For 10.0.3.
Yeah, right. So network 172.16.1.0. then wildcard mask
0.0.25.
right. Say exit. See, I am not giving no auto summary.
Okay.
Then go to router 2.
You are not giving no auto summary?
Right, no, because I am clearly mentioning, right? And
Okay.
let us see what is that. Okay, so now what I am doing now, router EAGRP 100. Now network, tell me, router B.
Router B is 172.10.0.0.0.3.
Next.
Network is 172.16.1.2.0 0.0.255.
Clear?
Yes.
So here I made a mistake. Clear?
Yes.
Exit. Now save it. Let's check show IP route. you will find some surprising.
Now it's taking. Still it's showing.
It's showing, right?
Yep.
Which means what it does mean, even if you advertise like this, but you must give the no auto summary, right? So what I want to do now, conft router EAGRP 100, you need to say no auto summary. Clear?
Okay.
And go to other side and do the same thing. Router 1 conft router EAGRP 100, you can say no auto summary. Now what it will do, you can advertise it like this also, but you need to give show IP route. Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes. But
Now
what is the use of wildcards?
wildcards means clearly you are mentioning the subnet mask of your IP address.
That is the only reason.
Only the reason. But if you are going for OSPF without the wildcard mask, it will not accept.
Okay.
Do you understand? So this is another method to advertise your networks in EAGRP. Clear?
Okay.
Then enjoy. That's it.